Example 5 says determine the domain of the following function. So what I have here is I have a radical, and then inside of the square root, right, I have an expression. And the domain restriction on even roots is that the entire expression under the radical has to be greater than or equal to 0 as long as the radical's in the numerator, right? Because you can take the square to 0. If for some reason the radical's in the denominator, then I would have just set it strictly greater than 0 because you cannot have 0 in the denominator. So now I just need to solve this inequality to see what values of x are valid. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to add this negative e to the 3x minus 9 to both sides. And then I'm going to take the natural log of both sides, because natural log is base e. Sorry, it's supposed to be an e. It's really ugly. So we're actually going to dig into these logs a little bit further in the next section, but the natural log of 1 is 0. The natural log of e is 1, so the base drops down. Now I'm going to add 9 to both sides. And I'm going to divide both sides by 3. So we're getting that x is less than or equal to 3. So if I sketch this out on a number line, here's 3. And if I draw this inequality, what it's saying is x is allowed to be 3, but x needs to be smaller than 3. So the domain is negative infinity to 3 included.